Good morning, everyone. This is Madhur Mehra, and before starting our ABAP course, I would like to teach you what is SAP R3 architecture. What are the layers in SAP R3 architecture, and what are these layers used for? So basically, SAP R3 architecture has three layers. One is presentation layer, one is application layer, and third is database layer. So I would draw these three layers for you to explain you more properly. So these are the three layers. Okay, now I would rather name them. This is presentation layer. Now this is application layer, and this is database layer. Now all these three layers you can see on the screen are interconnected. In what way? So let's start one by one explaining each layer and getting understanding each layer. So what is application layer used for? Application layer is used for writing programs. So here in this application layer we write programs. What is database layer? Database layer holds data. Presentation layer is where we see the output. So now you understand how these three layers are interconnected. So if I explain it more properly, this is how the process flows. Right? So what are these arrows show? That let's say we write a program in application layer. Okay, we write a select query. I will explain in my further videos what is select query. But for now we'll understand that select query is a query that demands or requests for a data from the database layer. So if I write a select query, it requests a data to be fetched from the database layer and put it into the application layer. So that is what select query does. So I write a select query demands for a data from the database layer. It sends, let's say, a notification to the database layer that database layer, I want data from this particular database table, and I want the data of these fields from this database table. So database table will accept the request and will transfer the data to the application layer. So it will first request, and then database table accept the request, database layer accept the request and transfer the data to the application layer. Now application layer has the data, right? It needs to show it to the user. It needs to show it as an output. How will it show it? It will send the data that it got from the database layer to the presentation layer, and finally user will see the output in terms of in the presentation layer. So this is the complete flow, and these are the layers that are used in SAP R3 architecture. So I hope you understand it, and if there are any further questions related to SAP R3 architecture on any past videos, please mail it to my mail ID, that is madhurmehraa13 @gmail.com. Thank you and have a nice day.